Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Dream big and dare to fail. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. A good plan violently executed now is better than a perfect plan executed next week. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step.